How to fix camera shaking and rattling in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and open general and click on software update, and here you can check your software update will be updated or not. If the iOS version will not be updated, then update it. After updating latest iOS version, your problem will be fixed, and if it doesn't fix, then open setting again and click on general and scroll down last, and here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on transfer or reset iPhone and reset all settings, and here you enter your passcode to enter all your settings, and here you confirm reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, it will be reset all your settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other data. After reset all the settings, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.